Tesla electric cars, some of the most technologically advanced and eagerly anticipated vehicles on the road today. But how exactly are these futuristic, sustainable sedans and SUVs manufactured? In this video, we'll take an in-depth look behind the scenes at the innovative, robotic, high-tech production process behind the making of a Tesla. From raw materials to finished vehicles, we'll follow each step of their construction process at Tesla's massive, state-of-the-art Gigafactory production facilities. We'll see how Tesla integrates groundbreaking engineering with renewable energy, automation, and software to build some of the world's most innovative electric cars. It all starts at Tesla's cutting-edge Gigafactory assembly plants, like Gigafactory 1 near Sparks, Nevada, spanning 5.4 million square feet. Gigafactory 1 alone produces 20 gigawatt-hours of battery storage annually. Raw materials like aluminum coil rolls, lithium-ion battery cells, wiring harnesses, plastics, and interior parts are sourced from suppliers and shipped to the Gigafactories. The aluminum coil rolls are loaded by automated robotic arms into presses that stamp the sheets into the body panels that form the recognizable shape of the Model S, 3, X, or Y. The panels are welded and glued together by agile robots equipped with special welding arms and sensors. Over 5,000 self-piercing rivets are robotically installed to connect the panels, creating a rigid aluminum body architecture designed for strength, durability, and lightweight. Freshly assembled aluminum bodies then make their way to the state-of-the-art paint shops in the Gigafactories. First, the bodies undergo cleaning and pre-treatment processes to prepare them for paint application by removing debris and oils and activating the metal surface. After dipping into an electro-coating primer bath, the Tesla bodies pass through ovens to cure the E-coat, providing corrosion protection. Next comes Tesla's trademarked base coat clear coat paint, consisting of multiple layers of specially formulated primers, base coats, and clear coats meticulously applied by robotic sprayers for a flawless, durable, automotive-grade finish. While the body is painted, Tesla's automated robotic production lines methodically assemble the battery packs, drivetrains, and other components. High-voltage lithium-ion battery cells, sourced from Panasonic, are assembled into finished modules and packs before being integrated with the drive units containing the electric motors, inverters, gearboxes, and other elements that power the drivetrain. Harnesses, control modules, and smaller parts are systematically built up by swarms of tiny robots honed in on specific assembly tasks. The now painted aluminum bodies and finished battery pack plus drive units are brought together in the final body in white assembly process. The battery pack is carefully aligned and mated to the underside of the body tub. Precision robots handle the merging using specialty jigs, fixtures, bushings, and adhesives to ensure fit and finish. As final assembly continues, the cockpit area comes together as robots expertly install all the wiring, electronics, HVAC systems, and components like the touchscreen displays, onboard computers, and lithium batteries that control the advanced navigation, entertainment, and driving systems. Interior amenities like the seats, headliners, carpeting, trim pieces, console, and armrests are added to finish off the cabin's styling and comfort. The wheels, tires, brakes, and suspension are next to be mounted to the chassis. Robotic arms lift the bodies up as the wheels are brought in, and lug nuts are fastened to precise torque specs to ensure safety. Before sale, each Tesla undergoes rigorous testing and analysis, including water leak checks, wheel alignment, and touchscreen calibration. Technicians test doors, latches, windows, and all features while test drivers put the vehicles through acceleration, braking, and handling evaluations. Thousands of data points streaming from the car are analyzed to identify any anomalies. Issues are corrected immediately to ensure perfection. The finished Teslas are digitally unlocked once payment is finalized, and then undergo final inspections and software updates to prep for customer delivery. Thanks to advanced automation, the entire factory process takes just 10 days from raw materials to completed cars. With a tech-driven, sustainable approach to manufacturing, Tesla proves that emission-free electric transportation can be produced efficiently at scale today. Of course, we've just scratched the surface of the immense innovation and development required to design and build these incredible vehicles. But one thing is sure: by accelerating the shift towards renewable energy, automation, and software integration, Tesla has revolutionized the auto industry and pioneered our all-electric future. Tesla's heavy investment in automated, sustainable manufacturing sets them apart. Powered by in-house software, Tesla can modify production lines rapidly. This agility supports the constant refinement of manufacturing processes. With solar energy and battery storage built into the Gigafactories, Tesla can reduce manufacturing carbon emissions and costs. Their ambitious approach pushes auto manufacturing into a more ecologically sound automated future.